Today I'll be testing out this Polygel manicure kit. Polygel is a nail enhancement that's supposed to feel and last like gel nails, but it's also supposed to sculpt and hold like longer acrylic nails. This kit includes 6 colors of extension gels, a gel base, a top coat, dual forms, a nail brush and spatula, and a nail file. You also need to order a UV or LED lamp if you don't already have one so you can cure the nails. I also noticed one thing that I need that is not included in this package is some slip solution because this is supposed to be pretty sticky. But instead it says you can use 91% isopropyl alcohol. I think I'm saying that right.
You have to make sure your nails are clean, cuticles pushed back, and the tops of the nails are gently filed. Then pick out the forms that best fit your nails. First, apply the base coat and cure for a minute. One way you can apply is straight onto the nail, then add the form and shape the gel. The gel itself is really sticky, so that's where you use the slip solution or alcohol to shape and clean up excess product. Then you cure for about a minute and the plastic form should easily pop off with a little pressure. You clean off any excess polygel, cut the extension, and file it down to your preferred shape. Then apply the top coat and cure one last time. The most common application method, and for me the easier one, is to first apply to the dual form, shape, then place that onto your nail. I found that I have more control shaping the gel when it's first on the dual form than when it's on my nail. So these are the final nails. The colors are super sheer except for the white, which is fine since they're extensions. My nail application definitely needs practicing, and I did file it down a lot, but overall I'm pretty impressed with this kit as a beginner.
Okay, so it's officially been 2 weeks since I've had the Polygel on my nails, and all but one nail has lasted for the full 2 weeks. When the one broke off, I was sure the rest of them would break or crack or chip, but they didn't. They are so strong. It could definitely go a little longer than 2 weeks. So I'm assuming I just didn't cure this one long enough, and it was probably just an error on my end when I was applying it. Removal works the same way that you would remove gel polish. You file down the top layer and soak with acetone inside foil, then the rest should be able to scrape off after 15 minutes. Surprisingly, the removal was easy. It kind of all scraped off in one piece. A lot of the nails underneath were still long after I took off the polygel. I just still had to file them down just so they were even with the ones that did break. Overall, I was pleasantly surprised with how well this kit worked and how my nails look and feel after. I think if you're looking for a beginner-friendly way to get long nail extensions, then you should definitely give Polygel a try, especially if it's something you want to do at home.